Australia. Keywords: a documentary, a fact, below, equator, to adapt. Okay, I'm going to read this text and you are to repeat sentences after me. Recently, Hassan watched a documentary about Australia. He learned several interesting facts. Australia is the smallest continent. But one of the 10 largest countries in the world. People often call Australia the land down under because it is below the equator. The capital city is Canberra. Since Australia is south of the equator, its seasons are different from those in Europe. When we have summer in Europe, it is winter in Australia. There are many unusual animals and plants in Australia. The most famous Australian animals are kangaroos and koalas. This is a kangaroo and this is a koala. The first people to live in Australia are called Aboriginal Australians or Aborigines. Their lifestyle and culture changed when the British colonists arrived in 1788. Their land was taken away, and they had to adapt to a European way of life. When you have read this text, you are to answer these questions. Why is Australia called the land down under? Name 5 facts about Australia. When are the 4 seasons in Australia? Who were the first people to live in Australia? What animals are there in your country? When you come back to school, you are to sit in pairs and ask and answer these questions. This is not homework.